Hi guys. Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Hit the Button, so let's play. Let's see, subtraction, no, let's do the hundreds. I know how to play. 40, wait what? Subtractions, alright I get it, so it's 60 is, what do we need to add up to make it 170, that is 30, this is easy. 100, that is 0. 40, that's 60. 100, 0. 90 is 10. 50 is 50. 10 is 90. 70 is 8, not 80, I'm stupid. Where's 30? 20 is 80. 100 is 0. 90 is 10. 70 is 30. And 80, we got 40 at 15. So thanks for watching this quick video. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment and like that video. Bye.